Hey, quick question. When was the last time you cleaned your air conditioner? If you're like most people, it's probably been a while. But here's the thing. A dirty AC makes your home stuffy, burns more energy, and could even shorten the life of your unit. So let's jump in and tackle this together. First, always turn off and unplug your AC, or flip the breaker for outdoor units. Safety first, always. Next, grab a screwdriver, a vacuum with a brush, a soft cloth, maybe a fin comb, and for outdoor units, a garden hose and some mild detergent. For window or indoor units, pop out the filter and give it a rinse under running water. Let it dry completely before sliding it back in. Use the vacuum or a soft cloth to gently clear dust from the coils and fins. If there's stubborn grime, a damp cloth with a little detergent does the trick. Don't forget to wipe down the vents and the exterior too. If you've got a central AC outside, turn off the power at the breaker. Seriously, don't skip this. Clear away any leaves or grass from around the unit. Rinse the coils gently from the inside out with your hose. No high pressure or you might bend the fins. And if you want to go the extra mile, use a fin comb to straighten any bent fins. Here's my pro tip. Clean or at least check your AC every 1 to 2 months during peak use. And always before summer hits. Now if you want to skip the hassle, or just need a super thorough home cleaning, check out Bear Brothers Cleaning. Call 256-633-6332 or visit the website at www.bearbroscleaning.com and they'll make sure every corner around your AC is spotless. Your comfort matters, and a clean AC keeps your air fresh and energy bills lower. Give it a try or call in the pros. Stay cool.